guys. Yeah, I haven't been on for a little bit. We've been just busy doing stuff, and it's been super warm today, and yesterday it is like freezing. So we went from like 26 degrees Celsius the other couple days, and now we're to +2 degrees Celsius. So big change in weather. So I thought today I want to show those of you who don't know how to plant garlic. You can do this system in either your garden bed, raised beds, or we're gonna do container planting today. So we have a hardneck garlic. I'm not exactly sure what variety this is, but it is a product of Ontario, which is great. With hardneck garlic, you'll get a garlic scape that grows at the top of it. And I'll actually put a picture of that here. And what we do with that is sometime in June, you pop those scapes off and you use them. It's a delicacy. Very, very good. You make garlic scape pesto. You can Google that, what to do with garlic scapes. But for today, we are taking our hardneck garlic and breaking it up into cloves. These ones here that I broke up have already started sprouting. So I thought it's an ideal time to get these planted and put them outside. With the hardneck garlic, it's a perennial, so it does very well in cooler climates. So anything from like zone 6 down, and it will survive the winter time. Generally, you would plant garlic in October. We would normally do around the second week of October. In the fields, we would plant garlic. But now, I mean, this is April, and I'm going to start these. My long container, which I'll show you in a second. I'll show you exactly how to do it, and you can get green garlic. We may get scapes off this. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure we will, but it's already got a nice sprout started on there. So I'm going to bring my camera down, and I'll show you how I do this. So where we are in, we're in Ontario, Canada, and our zone would be about a zone 4 here. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to plant this garlic into one of these long, almost like a window box type thing. So what I've done is filled it up with some Pro Mix. It's just an organic, all-purpose Pro Mix. You want to make sure that your container has drainage. The bottom of this, I can't tip it over because the soil will flip, but there is drainage holes in the bottom. And you want to make sure that your soil will be able to drain as well. You don't want a heavy sandy soil. So what we're going to do is, so you're going to take your biggest cloves off the bulb, and you're going to put the pointy side up, or if it has already started sprouting, that would be your pointy side. And then you're going to put this cut part, which would be the root system, where the roots are going to start to grow. You're going to put that down. And what you want to do is you want to plant about 3 inches apart, and you want to put the bottom of this bulb about 3 inches down into the soil. This is about 2 inches, so I'm going to put it so that it's about 1 inch out away from the top of the sprout. Am I making sense? So there we go, and I'm just going to cover that in. So I've got one, actually, before I pop these down, I've got that one popped down. I just make sure I can see it. I'm just going to kind of keep them exposed, and I'm going around 3 inches. I'll do this, place them first, and then I'll pop them all down, just so I'm not forgetting where I put my my last. A lot of people as well, some people, and this is, some people just don't know because they have not been taught. Some people will try to plant their garlic cloves very close together, thinking that it's going to give them a bulb. That's not the case. You don't want to plant them all together, because each one of these cloves is going to turn into one of these bulbs. And then once I get to that point, I will do another video and show you exactly how we harvest and how we let the garlic cure. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to do 12 in this one. I'm going to leave a space in the center, and I've got enough to do another pot. So I will just show you this one though for now. So with the garlic scapes, They are, if you have not tried them, try them. Read up on them. They're amazing. They're amazing. Super easy to harvest as well, and we'll get to that at another time when it's ready. So there, I've got my 12 bulbs in. I'm just going to push this down about an inch under the soil. And this is going to go, it's +2 out, but this is going to go out on the deck. And I'm going to give it a good water. I'm not going to water it in here because it does have drainage holes at the bottom. So I may as well just do it right out on the deck. And I'm going to place it beside the house because it's a little cool today. But it'll be totally fine. So there we go. And I'll bring it out, give it a good water. You want to make sure that your garlic is always moist, wet, but not sopping wet. So that's where the drainage with the good soil that can drain and the drainage holes in the bottom of your container is really important. And within a couple days, we will start to see these sprouts sprouting up, and then they're going to start getting their leaves. So that's all it takes to do that. And yeah, so I'm going to put this out on the deck, like I said, and give it a good water. And I will be back again next week and show you how they're making out with the sprouts. You guys have a great day, and I will see you in a couple days. Bye.